That is a awesome place. I can see there's coral all around these rocks right here. Oh my God, that's my favorite. Those are so good. Hello, Swaddy Kap. How you doing? All right, guys, I'm out here at North Patong. I hope this mic's on. And actually I'm gonna go to the pier. It's on the other side of Phuket. It's about 45-minute ride away. And right now I'm gonna go over the mountain and into the next beach. I think it's called Kamala Beach. I hadn't seen it yet, but the mountain looks pretty big, so it looks like a pretty awesome trek. But in let me just turn the camera around. In North Phuket, there's lots of street food vendors all along this bank right here where it curves around right before the mountain. And at nighttime, it is just full of vendors. And there's also all these lights on, so the water is just incredibly clear. Just an awesome place right here. So I walked all the way over here last night looking for something to eat. So anyway, let's make this little trip, see what it looks like. You're going to see it with me. And I'm going just to check out the pier to find out what it takes to maybe get to an island before I have to leave Patong. Maybe we'll find something to eat on the way. And driving on the left still gets me a little bit. And it ain't bad as long as you got traffic in front of you. If you've never done it before, that was my biggest concern was, getting in the wrong lane and not being used to it. So what I figured out so far, the hardest thing is when you're looking to see if any cars is coming. I have done it a couple times. I actually look the wrong way and expect the car to be coming from the wrong direction, which they're coming from the opposite direction. So anyway, that's been my biggest problem so far. But keeping the ditch on my left hand is always an easy way I remember it. So my left hand's always facing the ditch. But in the evening, if you're the only one going around a mountainy curving road, I'm gonna tell you it is uneasy feeling, because I think somebody's gonna come around that curve and just mash my ass up at any minute. But it is a lot of fun as long as you got somebody in front of you to watch. Let's go check it out. And this ADV 150 is actually really fast. All right, guys, I just pulled over, coming around the mountain past Kamala Beach, and I know I'm saying it wrong, but anyway, there is a tower right here, and actually it's on the way down the mountain, so this must be the top part. They're doing some line work here on the power lines. But check this out. I hadn't been up here yet, but it must be the highest spot around for them to put a place up there. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is awesome. I wonder what that lagoon is. I'm gonna look it up on the map. That is a awesome place. I can see there's coral all around these rocks right here. Wow. All right, well, I got me a new plan. I'm gonna figure out how to get there. It's got to be a walking trail or something down through here. I'm gonna figure out how to get there, and I think that's where I'm going snorkeling, maybe tonight or this evening or tomorrow sometime. Let's see how long it takes to get back to the pier and what I find to eat. But this is an awesome place. I'll see if I can drop a pin on this video so you'll know where it is. You come here, the little spots like that is just incredible to know of. I wish I knew it. All right, see y'all in a little bit. Let's get on the road. On the Honda. Come on, Mr. Honda. Oh wow, check this place out. It's like a like a mangrove or something. This is awesome. All right, this is a little restaurant I come to. All right, guys, I just found this place. Actually, I seen it on the map, and it looked real cool. I was going to see what it looked like, and then go to the ferry, check it out, and then if I didn't see anything better near the ferry, I would come back. So anyway, but it looks so awesome. So anyway, I'm gonna go up here and we'll go check it out. Let me put the mask on and get ready. I'll find the name of it for you. They got it up here. See if I can say it. Bang Thai Seafood Restaurant. And if you're foreign like me, this is going to be probably really authentic. Nothing like what I'm used to in Patong. Hello, Swadee Krap. This one. Way over here. Let's find a spot. What about a water? Alright, so I'm going to see if they'll let me in the kitchen. Some places don't want you in it, and you can understand that. But I think she has to ask. Well, y'all leave a comment and tell me what she said. So, I need to put a translator on my phone. I just had to Google kitchen in Thai, and that's what popped up. So anyway, hopefully I can go back there and they'll let me see it. But here's what I ordered. I ordered turmeric sandfish. So if you do come here, they do have pictures and they do got it in English. It's just that they don't speak much English. Of course, I don't speak much Thai. And I ordered stir-fried shrimp and stink bean and shrimp paste sauce. And then a small rice. So, I mean, as hungry as I am, that's going to be probably too much for me. But if it was in the evening, I would love to get one of these. A lemongrass fish, fried fish. Everything on here just looks good. Alright, y'all. Of course, she said no to the kitchen. So, can't really blame them. I wouldn't want nobody in my kitchen either. So anyway, especially when you got other customers and code. Well, I don't know if you're supposed to say that word. And the situation we're in. Let me show you where I am on the map according to where I was. And you can see how far it was to drive. I am staying like right in here. Somewhere in here. But where I'm at is all the way up north. If you can see that without glare. But where I'm at is way up here. And there is a pier up here. It's way down here. And this is the mangroves. So I wasn't exactly sure what this place was going to look like. Whether it was just a mom and pop shop or like a real nice restaurant. But it's actually really, really nice. And there's a pier right here. That's where I'm going next. And I'm not sure what I'm going to see at this pier, but I see boats, so I'm guessing this is where you go to the island. I'm going to find out where they take you there, and I might even jump on a boat. Hello. So, that's where I'm going next. I'm going to go to that pier, but that shows you how far I just cut across the island. It's a pretty good little ways from down here to there. But it's a good trip. Get a motorbike, I mean, it's an easy trip. There wasn't like crazy traffic or anything like that. Of course, you've seen most of it. So, anyway, let's wait till that food comes out. Check it out. Alright guys, they just brought it out. And I hadn't tried it yet, but it looks good. That's the shrimp with stink beans and shrimp paste sauce. Got, of course, white rice. And that is the fried fish. I'm not exactly sure how you eat them. And that is like I guess a peanut garlic chili sauce. Anyway, I'm about to find out. I hadn't had, I say this is probably my first real, let's put this back a little bit, real Thai food. So I'm not sure if I can handle the heat or not. Oh, those are hot. Okay, let's try this shrimp with stink beans first. I guess you eat it over rice. So let's try that. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. I love that. I've never really had. I wonder why they call them stink beans. They're like, gosh, they taste like if you, in America, butter beans, just like, almost like raw butter beans. They're crispy. But that is absolutely really good. And spicy, it's hot. I'm probably sweating now. But it's hot. I can eat it, but it's hot. Let's try the shrimp. Wow. That's good. So far, I mean, I've had a lot of pad thai so far, but it was in Patong. And really, I've not been to an authentic restaurant yet. It was, made for frame. But that's good. I really like that one. Let's see how these fish are. I mean, look at that thing. I can see through it. I don't know how you eat it, but let's put some sauce in it. And that sauce will probably burn me up too, but I'm just gonna eat it. I eat the head and all. Oh my gosh, that is good. That is like that sauce is like fish sauce, chili, garlic, and lemon. Like the same thing I make at home with Vietnamese fish. Oh my god, that's my favorite. Those are so good. I mean, it don't look like much, but that thing is delicious. Eat the head and everything. Bones, it's crispy. Perfect. Let's try this one more time. Jeez, I wish I could have somebody to bring with me and fill this whole table up and try a bunch of stuff. That's what I really want. But I can only eat so much. I'll be here a little while, so I'll find all kinds of places to eat. Alright, y'all, that was absolutely delicious. I just seen somebody walk out. I don't think this wide angle lenses see it, but somebody just walked out of the mangroves and they're actually out there right now. I guess they're fishing, or maybe that's where they raise some of the seafood. So anyway, I'm gonna walk up on this platform and see if we can spot them, or if this camera will show it. But I'm gonna tell you what, you will not be disappointed by coming here. Oh, a bunch of people out there. Wonder how you get out there. Take my shoes off. Let's see if there's dock. This video might be pretty long. We might have to do a separate one on the ferry. I bet you they're out there getting the clams. Let's walk out to this other one. Maybe I can find a way to get out there. Let's try it. Why not? That right there is hard. Oh, that is slick. Oh my gosh, that's slick. That's hard. Hard. Okay, that's good. Alright, so far, all that's good. Yeah. Hey, no problem. Huh? You can do it, Toby. Oh, look at the long tail. This is actually really cool. So, if you come here, check the tide before you come. I guess I'm supposed to do this. Absolutely incredible. Okay. Well, they having a good time over there. Let me go pay that bill. And let's go to the ferry. I got something on that lens. Oh gosh. Okay. Now you can see that somebody's got a cart. Maybe they catch the clams here for the Hello. Swaddy Cobb. How you doing? I'm sure it's kind of a unique experience for them too. To see me out here walking on their sandbar. Uh-oh. Come here. That's money. Yeah. That's not mine. It's yours. Okay?
Okay.
Do you speak English? Really? What's your name?
That's me.
Katni? Nice to meet you, Katni. I am Toby. Is this your money? You lose money? It must be this is your daddy? Your father? This your father?
Yeah.
Maybe it is his bat. Or maybe your bat. Okay?
Okay.
Well, what are you doing here? You fishing? You catching fish? No? Just play.
Okay.
What do you eat tonight? Shrimp? Fish? You don't know? You like bat? Here. Hold this. Hold this. Wait, there you go. How about that? You're a good camera person. You're a very good camera person. Here. Here's 1,000 baht.
Okay.
Maybe help you out. Okay? Thank you. See you later. Nice to meet you. Okay. Bye. Wow. That's pretty cool. Look how happy she is. Made her day. She found some money. That's amazing I just found that. But it's dry. So they had to lose it. But I know that is I mean, just make a little bit of difference. If you ever come here, you see something like that, just help them out a little bit. I hope this wide angle will catch that. All right, let me go pay that bill. I should have checked and see how much money I got. I don't know how much the bill is. I might have to ride back to Patong and come back. I guess I didn't think about that. Okay. See you guys in a little bit. I'm not exactly sure how it works here, but they hadn't brought me a bill yet, so I'm gonna go up here to the register and see how much it is. And let's see, that's coming in my thumb. And let's see if I need to go back to Patong or if I got to do dishes or what I got to do. Oh wow, that's good. So what is that? That's a 20?
Yes.
So it's 420 baht. That is about $12. Actually, that's a really good price. 420 baht. What is that? That's a 50. I'm terrible with this. 500. Okay. And it's 420 baht. So that's $12, $13. That's good. For you. Okay. Kapung kap. Eroi mac mac. Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye. All right. So actually, that was a really good deal. If I'd known that, I could have given her another 1,000. I got another 1,000 left. Okay. As you can see, there's not much on this road till you get here. So, anyway. Oh, there's a little trail out there now. All right, let's go to the ferry. I'm not sure how many videos this is going to be. Maybe I can make one out of it. See y'all in a little bit.